If you want to start selling WordPress websites in 2023 but aren't sure exactly how to begin, you're in the right place. By following these 5 simple steps, you'll be able to attract clients, deliver great results, and turn your skills into a serious business. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to confidently sell WordPress sites, even if you're just starting out. Alright, let's dive in, starting with the most important foundation. First, pick a clear niche. This is absolutely crucial. Don't try to sell websites to everyone. That's a recipe for getting lost in the crowd. Instead, zero in on a specific group where you can really shine. Think about local businesses like restaurants, clinics, and salons, or maybe coaches and consultants, real estate agents, small e-commerce shops, even churches and NGOs. Why does this matter? Because clients trust specialists far more than generalists. Imagine you're a dentist. Are you likelier to choose someone who builds websites for anyone, or someone who really understands dental practices? That trust is what makes the difference. So take a moment here to pick a niche that you might already know something about, or one that just feels exciting to you. It'll make selling and building much easier. Next up, create 2 or 3 demo websites. You don't need paid clients to start showing what you can do. In fact, having demos is the best way to get those first clients excited about working with you. These demo sites could be for a made-up business, like a local bakery maybe, or you can help out a friend's business or even build one for yourself. The main goal is to show what's possible. Use free WordPress themes to keep costs down and tools like Elementor or Gutenberg for quick, stylish layouts. Don't forget basic SEO and a contact form, since these are things clients expect. Here's a tip. If you can, show a before and after of a site transformation. People love to see improvement. It's like the difference between a dusty old storefront and one with fresh paint and bright lights. Take some time here. Don't worry if your demos aren't perfect. The real point is to prove you can solve real problems. Third, you'll want to offer simple packages. This is about making it so easy for a client to say yes that they barely need to think about it. Try to have 3 clear options, like a basic package with 5 pages and a contact form, a standard that adds SEO, speed, and mobile optimization, and a premium that covers things like e-commerce, online bookings, or ongoing maintenance. Starting affordable is smart. You can always raise prices as you gain experience and confidence. Packages help clients compare and choose rather than feel overwhelmed. It's like ordering a meal combo. Everything's laid out and they just pick what suits them best. Fourth, let's talk about finding clients using methods that don't require spending on ads. Start close to home. Look for Facebook groups where business owners hang out, or try platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to connect with people directly. Cold email can work wonders, especially for local businesses. Just keep your message polite and helpful. For example, "Hi, I noticed your website could use a modern refresh. I build fast, mobile-friendly WordPress sites for small businesses. Would you like a free website review?" Referrals from friends and local Facebook pages are also tried and true. Remember, at this stage, it's normal to feel a little nervous reaching out, but every connection you make is a step forward. Finally, once someone's interested, it's time to close the deal and deliver. This is where you build trust and get the job done. Make sure you truly understand their goals. Ask them what matters most for their site. Show them your demo work to help visualize the results. Agree up front on price and timeline. Transparency goes a long way. A good rule is to collect 50% payment up front, then get to work. Build, review together, and finally launch the site. Always use a simple contract so everyone's clear on what's included. Offer training or a bit of support after launch, especially if clients aren't super tech savvy. And don't forget, ask for a testimonial. This is proof for future clients that you deliver what you promise. So that's it, 5 straightforward steps to start selling WordPress websites with confidence this year. If you found these tips helpful, go ahead and like the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions or want more advice. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Good luck building your WordPress business.